Dogecoin, Doge, generally is a mineable coin that in every practical sense is at present exchanged at $0.092573 per unit, with the market capitalization of $13,172,750,027 that explicitly makes it a mid-position digital money, and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Computerized resources like Dogecoin for the most part have currently certainly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for decently retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for by and large huge institutional financial backers who basically see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a viable fundamentally support against expansion that takes a sort of weighty cost for the worldwide economy. Thusly, having basically a piece of the portfolio committed to crypto basically is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any broker and financial backer who most certainly needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking without a doubt. In any case, with it really comes the need to intently follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom the for the most part current circumstance and basically have some feeling representing things to come in an unobtrusive manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model generally was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, sort of track down the best coins or tokens to explicitly put resources into, and for the most part keep the value been developing, which is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to help you to remember the in every practical sense, fundamental guidelines of cryptographic money exchanging and venture. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its ongoing standings, as well as the mid-term and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that depends on the readings of our genuinely restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, which sort of is very critical. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin truly remains at $0.092573, and this very specific computerized resource in every practical sense stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide digital currency, genuinely positioning amazingly. For your data, the especially positioning of each and every cryptographic money in a real sense is vigorously dependent on its sort of current market capitalization and cost, and by and large is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to amazingly. Likewise, to get a by and large better for the most part handle of the market circumstance and grasp the overall course of the pattern, or to explicitly enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise vital to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Recently, on December 18, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $0.093103 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 3.11% distinction when contrasted with the very current value, 7 days prior, on December 12. The Dogecoin market basically remained at $0.094388 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members incredibly. As the outcome, the cost certainly moved by 0% comparable to its current standing. A month prior, on November 19, Dogecoin generally was evaluated at $0.080383, which generally concurred with our cost expectation for that exceptionally specific period, which really is genuinely critical. Contrasted with the sort of present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 15.17% cost move, really in spite of prevalent thinking. These figures ought to yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, while our top-to-bottom cost estimate truly depends on the appearances of CVIX, or so they in a real sense thought. However, to grasp the by and large especially capability of Dogecoin, or any truly other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's critical to fundamentally consider the cost vacillations as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource amazingly. Yesterday, on December 18, the market capitalization of Dogecoin sort of remained at $13,246,362,652. Keep going week, on December 12, the aggregate sum of truly capital dedicated to Dogecoin by and large was laid out at $13,420,466,658, the information from a month prior, enlisted on November 19. Sort of shows that Dogecoin truly had a market capitalization of $11,405,225,590 win in a significant manner. Of course, while the market capitalization of Dogecoin fills in as a generally obvious sign of the size and the presentation of the explored cryptographic money, It could not explicitly be the proof that the exchanging volume on that market especially is created in adequate amount, as will basically be generally made sense of later. The volume could generally be urgent, while deciding the essentially likely heading of the market and the strength of the expected cost development in one or the other bearing, or so they fundamentally thought. The market capitalization in the case of a computerized resource could be impacted by the quantity of genuinely dynamic exchanges inside the sort of relating blockchain network, or so they for the most part thought. And in every practical sense, huge number of exchanges of some random day might actually siphon up the cost extensively, which would truly result in a quick certainly support in the market capitalization of the hidden resource, whether or not there especially have been really sure changes in the task's essentials in a sort of significant manner. Media publicity is likewise the element that could for the most part apply a substantial effect on the truly situational valuing of a digital money and, surprisingly, sort of led to the genuinely dangerous however unverified bullish meeting that sort of as a general rule closes with a flowing cost dump. While the market capitalization would generally in every case basically follow the cost activity. Thusly, don't actually make a judgment in regards to a coin's possible simply based on its extremely present market capitalization and consistently concentrate on the verifiable information connected with this in every way that really matters, metric. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that for the most part have previously been mined, printed, or generally made and are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders freezing wallets, or so they thought. The extremely all-out supply likewise considers any coins that essentially have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, which really is very huge. It can essentially measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that is public on the securities exchange, which for the most part is very huge. The complete inventory of Dogecoin presently in every practical sense remains at 142,295,096,384 Doge, which in every way that really matters is very huge. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply is the most usually involved really metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to in an unobtrusive manner. It relates with practically the best estimate of the general number of coins that certainly are public on digital money trades and truly add to their liquidity in a very large manner. Their volume does exclude the coins that in a real sense are vested, marked in brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or really put unavailable for general use. The coursing supply truly is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange in a by and large enormous manner. At the present time, the flowing stock of Dogecoin basically is assessed at 142,295,096,384 Doge in a quite huge manner. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market really added up to $600,438,790 win in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on December 18, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting explicitly added up to $483,156,314 in an unpretentious manner.